So this has got a fake antivirus program which we need to get rid of. So what we're going to do is go into safe mode. So press F8. Yep. Okay, so we want safe mode with networking. Yep. Alright. Now if we're lucky and we get into safe mode, the fake antivirus program that's on here won't come up, and we'll be able to run the malwarebytes or super any spyware. Okay, that's just booting up. Just going to grab the disk for malwarebytes. Spyware. That's the one. Okay. Alright, so at the login, I'd usually just choose administrator. That's least likely to have crap all over the desktop. CD in. Okay, so Windows running safe mode. Yep, we're going to do that. Now it's possible that we might not be able to get in because of the program that's on here, but we'll soon find out. Alright, so looks good so far. Start my computer. And get the disk. And we want mbam setup, which is malwarebytes. Okay, press OK. And next, accept, next, install. Launch an update. Yep. So we just need to get this on the network though. It needs to be plugged into the power. So let's see. Okay. That's a big problem because the power doesn't work without this.